Good morning, students. So, we have learned about the Coulomb's law and its applications. Okay, so far. Now, today we start with our new topics and very important topic, that is electric field. Okay. So, as we start with electric field, uh, electric field. It is denoted by E, right? Electric field. Now, what is electric field? It's a very important question. What is electric field? So, before we have to understand it, what is electric field, let us write its definition. So, definition is what? It is the area. It is the area or space around a charge. Around a charge in which another charge when brought in it will experience a force. It will experience a force. Okay. So it means what? If there is a charge and there is around something, means there is around some space or some region around it, and you bring some another charge, okay, near to it, then it will experience some force, right? And we know that if both the charges are they are unlike charges, then they will attract, and if they are like charges, they are similar charges, then they will repel with each other. This area or space is termed as electric field. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बोलते हैं. It's termed as electric field. So please write down its definition. You take its screenshot. Okay, write down its definition. It's very important definition. Now we will see with the help of the figure or the diagram that which area is said to be the electric field, right? So the next is we have to understand it in a diagrammatic form. With the help of the diagram, we better understand it. So you see, suppose there is a charge Q. So I take a charge. This is O, and there is a charge placed that is Q. Okay. So suppose this is an area around it. This is a +2 charge area around it. When I bring a charge from somewhere, suppose this Q charge, a small Q charge, I bring it from somewhere, maybe from the infinity. I bring it from the infinity. Okay, I bring it, and when this Q charge is somewhere inside this vicinity around this charge Q. So this point is P. So this Q, when this Q charge come here at this point P, it will experience force. Okay, why does it experience the force? Because of the electric field around the another charge. So this Q is what? This Q is here, we call this Q, capital Q is your source charge. This is your source charge. Okay. This is your source charge. And this Q, small q, on which the test has been taken, okay, जिसके ऊपर हम टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, this is called test charge. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Test charge. Okay. Now the concept of its electric field, concept is very important. Concept of electric field. Electric field is given by whom? Is given by Faraday, Michael Faraday. फेराडे ने इसका सबसे पहले कंसेप्ट दिया है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का जो कंसेप्ट दिया किसने दिया? माइकल फेराडे. ओके, इसके आप ऊपर हम आगे पढ़ेंगे, फेराडे लॉज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, तो इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू. राइट नाउ यू हैव टू ओनली अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट दिस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज द कंसेप्ट इज गिवन बाय मिस्टर फेराडे. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, सपोज दिस चार्ज, ये जब चार्ज सपोज आप यहाँ पे आ गया और इन दोनों के बीच में सपोज हम एक डिस्टेंस ले लें, सपोज इट इज r. ओके, लेट इट बी r. यार एक r हमने डिस्टेंस ले लिया. सो ये फोर्स कितना एक्सपीरियंस है? व्हाट इज द फोर्स हियर? सो दैट फोर्स इज लेट दैट बी अ फोर्स f. f is the force. So it is what you know that kq by the Coulomb's law, kq q upon r square. Very simple. So this is the force which is experienced by this charge, this q charge. Now what happened when this q charge is coming from infinity, okay, and near to it, then you know that the charge when it is moving, it will produce electric as well as the magnetic field, both, right? But the static charge is always produce electric field around it. So when this charge is coming, this is the physical significance of the electric field. When it come near to it, then it will produce electromagnetic waves, right? So this electromagnetic waves, due to these electromagnetic waves, it will experience a force. So that is also important, that this the electromagnetic waves will also produce a force on it. So that is very important. It means what, the both of charges that will experience the force from one another. But the electromagnetic waves that is produced by the small charge, see very small charge q, it is very very small, so its effect is considered to be negligible, right? Now, so we know that this electric field is due to this charge q. That means what? This is due to this electric field, right? So the electric field is, the formula for electric field is what? Do you know that electric field is equals to kq upon r square, right? So with the help of these two equations, we come to know that F equals to your E into Q, that is EQ, or you can say what, force equals to QE. But because the force is electric, this force is a vector quantity, so the electric field is also the vector quantity. Okay, so this is a very beautiful relation that comes out here, right? It means this one. Okay, so this electric field is equals to what? This electric field is equals to F upon Q. F upon Q. Okay, F upon Q. It doesn't mean that the electric field is inversely proportional to Q. Okay, no. This electric field is proportional to the ratio of F upon Q. It's very important that you have to remember this. Okay, so this relation is here. F equals to QE. Right? Okay, thank you. In our next class, we will learn about the important physical properties of this electric field. Okay.